Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa flight ng Qatar Airways. And ito, upon sitting nandito, meron tayong television para ma-entertain tayo while on our flight. Tapos may remote control siya na na-detach, and then may mga ports din siya so that we can put some for the charger for our cell phones and even laptops pwede. Tapos dito, meron tayong sisig bag kapag medyo uneasy tayo. Tapos, and then, yan, may sisig bag and then water. We also have, sa aking water yan, actually, I provide my own water to keep me hydrated the whole flight. And then, meron din akong alcohol. Alam niyo naman, kailangan maging hygienic tayo, especially pagka nasa flight tayo, iba-ibang klaseng tao yung mga nakakasalumuha natin. And not all of us are very, kumbaga, kailangan, we have to take care of ourselves, especially on the flight like this. May headset na provided si Qatar Airways para for the television. And then, meron ditong safety information. Yan, safety information about the life jacket. And na mostly nakalagay yan sa ilalim ng ating upuan. And also some breathing apparatus on top. Bumabagsak yun whenever there are some emergencies. And then, these are the goodie packs na meron din sila. So, ito yung mga basic needs natin whenever nandito tayo sa flight. We have this eye mask para hindi tayo masyado masilawan pag natutulog. And then we have the socks kung na medyo nalalamigan yung pasahero, she or he can always use that, and a toothbrush as well. And then earplugs. Yan, yung earplugs very important yan lalo na kapag